G'day, this is Jason here, and we're reviewing the Forex Robo Tron robot. And I just like to tell you that it's a very special day today in the trading hood, okay? Because we have now reached 50%. 50% profit, ladies and gentlemen. Okay? Now, as you can see my mouse here, this is on a demo, okay? This is ATC Brokers. I don't use that broker, okay? But this is what I'm using for this test. This test that I've been doing for you guys for over 3 months now. I started another test before this one on December 7th or so, 2019, okay? So, here it is right here, December 31st, okay, 2019. Is when I started this account, okay? My name is not Jimmy Jim, okay? As you can see, I always put a fake name in demos because, and a fake number, and a fake address, because you'll have them calling you up, right? Trying to convince you to fund your account, you know. So I don't like brokers bugging me, right? So anyway, especially when some of them are, they're up to no good, let's just say. Okay, I'm not going to say anything bad about anybody or anything. Let's just say they're not all up to snuff. Okay, they're sniffling. All right, here we go. Look at these trades, man. Woo! We started trading because it was a $50,000 account startup. We started trading 5 lots. Okay, I don't know why I put it to 10. Oh, this is where I tested. It's doing 10.0 lots because this is where I tested the money manager. That's right. Okay. And I had it too much. Well, I thought too much at the time. And then it went from 5 lots to 5.3 micros, as you can see. So anyway, we had all these winning trades. Right here we had a loser. And right here we have the Dow. That shouldn't even be included in here. Okay? But the other one should just cancel this one. And then we had all the winners, all the winners, all the winners, all the way down. And as you can see, the lots are expanding. They're getting bigger and bigger, as you can see. We started with 5.5 lots, 3 micros. And down here, we're doing 5 lots, 4 minis, and 4 micros. Okay? So anyway, I'm going to show you all these trades here. Got nothing to hide. Okay? So anyway, and then you can see all these winners, all of them. There's like 20 or 30 of them in their own. Then we whammo. We hit the bad one right here. Lost 5,600. Oh well. Seems like a lot, right? No, it's not. And it was just like I told you before. This is the same account. As you can see, we were doing 5 lots, 5 minis, 1 micro, and then I doubled it. And of course, a few trades after I double it, what happens? That's where we have the losing trade. With 11.26 lots, we had the $5,600 loss, okay? So anyway, it kept going, winning, 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 win, 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 all the way down here, okay? All the way down here, kept winning, all the way, till we hit here. Now here's a trade. I was starting to get a little volatile here. Okay, this is like February 17th. I closed this trade myself. Sometimes with a robot, you need to interfere yourself. If you don't feel it's going to, be right, you got to interfere yourself. So I closed that one. So anyway, then we had all these winners again and made up for it and started profiting even more. Then we had some nice big wins. Look at that, 1,100, 1,400. Look at that, look at that. And then win, 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 win. Then we had a loser, okay, of 1,100s. And then we had more wins, more wins, more wins. Then whammo, we had a bad one again. Lost 4,700 right there. You see that? I did not close that myself. I actually even widened the stop on that one. Or no, it wasn't that one. It's another one. No, this is the one that hit the 50 pip stop. There's another bad trade. And then it won, made up for it again. Look at that, $2,600 winner right there. Okay, let me just scroll a little more. Right there. Then I was looking at the MyFX book, and I can see they expanded their stop. They do this sometimes. They interfere with the robot. So if you go and you look at those trades on MyFX book for Forex Robo Tron, you're going to see some trades that may not look right, because sometimes they just close them on their own because they're watching it like as if they're a trader. And that's how you need to be when you trade a robot. You can't just say, oh, slap it on, turn it on, and go about your business. No. Talking too much, had to have some water. So, I did like they did. I expanded my stop to 100 pips, okay? This loss of $7,743, it lost about 65 pips or so, and I said, you know what? I can tell this sucker is just going to keep going down. And it did. It did that day. Okay, so I closed it on my own before it hit this. I doubled the stop. I went and I looked at what they were doing, if they were in the same trade on MyFX book. And, it's not right up to the second, showing you the prices and the wins or losses, but it's delayed, okay? But it was still, how would you say, current enough to show me that they moved their stop from 50 pips to 100 because they knew it was going to go down there, just like me. And they were hoping it was going to go back up and, get to break even like it usually does. And they done that just a few weeks ago, and it worked for them. They doubled their stop, and I don't know which pair it was. It went right back up, and they got break even on that trade. So anyway, I doubled the stop. I could see it was going to go all the way to the stop, so I closed it. So then we had more wins, ladies and gentlemen. Right here. And what did it do? It made up for this loss. Okay? Now today, we had 4 trades today. Okay, today, which is right over here, the 27th, 4 27s, which is tomorrow, Friday, because when the new day starts at 5 o'clock, it always shows tomorrow's date, even though today is still technically the 26th of March. Okay, so anyway, it made $6,000 today with just these 4 trades, which brought our total to $26,145 profit, which is just over 50%, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, remember right here. Okay, we started with 50,000. Okay, and now we have 76,000 balance. Okay, and as you can see, right here is our profit. Right here, 26,000. That is 50%, ladies and gentlemen. So as you can see right here, we started in the graph. We had a little bit of profit, and then we had a little loser. And then it went up and up and up and up and up. And then we had a big loser. It came down, went up, another loser, and then it gradually went up and took out all these highs and gained back all the profits lost and kept going up higher again. Here was another loser and just went straight up from there. And once again, we had another big loser. This is the big $7,000 loser right here, okay? That's this dip right here on the graph. And as you can see, with all the trades today, up it went to a higher profit level. So as you can see, we had gross profit $48,800. We had gross loss $22,000. Total net profit is $26,145. I don't think you can see the numbers down here. We had 155 trades, and the average consecutive wins are 4, and the average consecutive losses are 1. So it's 4-to-1 win-loss ratio, which is amazing, ladies and gentlemen. This is the best robot on the world planet. You gotta pick up your copy, man. I keep doing these videos for you guys. You ask me all these questions, you know, underneath the video. I answer your questions. But I don't see too many of you lately picking up your copy. Why not? You know, all this time you could be making profit. You could be up 50%. So anyway, I urge you to pick up your copy. You're going to be so happy you did. This is a robot that does not use martingale, does not use grids, okay? It just uses skill of buying off of support and taking profits sometimes near resistance, close resistance that is, and close by support. So anyway, this is an amazing robot, man. Soon I'll be sending you another email showing you making 100%, ladies and gentlemen. This is not, it hasn't even been 3 months yet. Close, but not quite. And it's already made 50%. Okay? And the reason it's made 50% is because I have the money manager on, ladies and gentlemen. Up here, see? 12.9 lots. And then it keeps getting bigger and bigger and bigger. See? It was doing 14.26 lots. Okay? Next time, it'll be doing more than 14.26 because it'll read the new balance once it puts the new trades on. So anyway, ladies and gentlemen, it's an amazing robot. I can't say, you know, anything bad about it. It's just so awesome. You know, it doesn't use stupid money-making tactics to try and make money. You know, it's just trades like a trader. And that's what you need on your side. You need someone that's going to trade like a professional trader. And that's what this robot does. Okay, I think I've said enough. Anyway, thanks for listening. Get your copy, man. You're going to be so happy you did. Once again, this is Jason Sweezy here, reviewing Forex Robo Tron.